Awaken. I awaken to my divine nature and live the life of my dreams. When I dream at night, my dreams may be fanciful or serious, light or dark. But when I awaken, I can have a different kind of dream, one I am able to consciously direct. Just as I awaken from sleep, becoming aware of the world around me, I also awaken spiritually, becoming aware of the world within me. I am made in the image and likeness of God, and as a divine being, have great creative power to choose my thoughts and guide my life. I need not settle for a life of fantasy or daydreaming, wishing I could have the life of my highest imaginings. As I awaken to my divinity, my life truly begins to take shape, and my dreams become my reality. I awaken to my divine nature and live the life of my dreams. Besides this, you know what time it is, how it is now the moment for you to wake from sleep. Romans 13:11.